Before we introduced Limble, all work orders were word of mouth, written on pieces of paper, left in employees' toolboxes, and written on whiteboards. My name is Simon Krajewski. I'm one of the owners and director of operations of Universal Veneer located here in Newark, Ohio. For quite some time, we have always stuck with our same tried and true methods of trying to keep an organizational process in the parts cage. We knew that something had to change with our work orders and our purchase orders and the efficiencies that we were not getting out of our maintenance team and our parts cage. Now with the introduction of our CMMS program, Limble, we have accountability and traceability by everyone being able to log in the progress on the projects online in a place where we can access it 24/7.
We have PMs, the nightly checks, our regular monthly, weekly, everything is already in the system, populates, goes to the technicians, and then as they complete it, comes to me, and then that way we're keeping track of what we have in the parts cage.
We now have accountability as to how our maintenance techs are spending their hours. We now have accountability as to what parts are being used per projects. We know what is being purchased at what time, from what vendor, at what cost. Now we can see it ourselves. The payoff, as we've seen today, is well worth it.